If you forgot your admin password and your NVR is completely locked, this hard reset method may fix it.
First, unplug the power cable completely. Make sure the unit is fully powered off. Now remove the screws and carefully lift the top cover. Look for a small button labeled Reset on the main board. It may be near the center or side. Press and hold the reset button. Now plug the power cable back in. Keep holding for 20 seconds. Release the button when you hear a beep or see the device reboot. The NVR should now return to factory settings. If you still remember your password, this is the safest method. Go to System, then Maintenance or Management. Select Factory Default and confirm. The system will now reboot with default settings.
If your model supports password recovery, click Forgot Password.
A QR code will appear on your screen.
Open the official app and scan the QR code. Enter the verification code and create a new password.